Okay, guys, so we are at the games, but we have to evacuate because actually there's a snowstorm and there's some type of storm coming, and it's really bad. It's gonna be like flooding and stuff like that. And yeah, so we would like have to evacuate. So we have to go back home. And we have a basement, so that's good. So me and my family are. Okay, guys, so the reason why I am actually on the bus because I have to go back to college. They call me back in because some other students and me have to take this class, like two classes, but I would like be back tomorrow. That's my family, so yeah. And the rain actually cleared up a little bit, but anywho, I have to go. It's a little bit awkward, so I am in class right now, so I can't really talk that much, but I'm doing good so far. And yeah, but the teacher's coming right over here, so I'm gonna put this phone down. Okay, bye guys. Love you. Mwah. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is raining, but I'm heading back